so you know who's who. And like, remember I said we're gonna have extra people come out.
Paramedics typically are not available. I saw it today.
What do our police officers want to tell the kids? And you're going to say, kids, when you see us on the side of the road, what do? Slow down, move over. Boys and girls, are you excited to be with us this morning? Well, we are so excited to have you here today. We are Flagman, and today we are here with some of our friends who work on the roads. And our goal today is to help you help them to stay safe on the roadway. We'd like to get a few volunteers to come join us on stage. Yeah. And you get to dress up and you get to play like you're a policeman, a fireman, any of these other jobs out here. On your mark, get set, go! And they're driving down the road. But Hux, there's a mongoose! You swerve and you hit Ava! Oh no! Oh, you made crash! Okay, pull your cars over the side.
Today we learned to slow down and move over.
What do we tell Barbie to do? We tell her to slow down! Now, boys and girls, I want you to repeat after me. It's time to take the Flagman pledge. Everybody raise your right hand. 1, 2, 3. We stand with Flagman!